Hey guys, what's up? My name is Kinis, I'm a hamster. And I like little smart baby kitten. And because of this fact, I have little baby kitten. And now I'm going to show you my cats. My little sweet, good baby kitten. And they are good like wood. Let's begin. For this we need this bucket, and in this bucket there are my little baby kitten. In this bucket, can you hear it? Yes, they are. This is the sound of the little baby kitten. Now let's open it. Ah, yes, I open it. The little baby kitten. They are coming from this bucket. Hey, come on, go out. Let's begin. So, yes. These are my little baby kitten. They are so smart and so sweet and so colorful. Look at this little baby kitten. This is like a soup of chicken, a soup of ducks, and I like ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Hey, can I read? So, 16 little baby kittens are in this room. Look at them. They are so fucking sweet. Look at Tom, at Jeremy. Here, look, here is Jeremy. And here is Mike. And here is George. And here is Max. And here is Tom. And here is Ismail. I have 4 groups with 4 cats in each group. With the color blue, orange, red. No, I think this is pink or red or something of this. Green. And yes, these are the 4 colors, 4 groups. I can play with them football or something with this. Oh fuck. With this cube, man. With this cube. Oh my god, it was a 6. It was a 6. Oh my god, I'm so lucky. I'm so lucky it was a 6. It was a very nice 6. Look at this. This is a smiley. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. I hope you like my little cats. If not, then fuck you. If yes, then like and subscribe my channel for more videos with my beautiful English. I would say, let's begin, guys. No, let's end, yes. See you later. Bye.